head is going to carry the base.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2 commotion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solutions, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji house is not commotion. Number 1 is companion, the wife number 2.
Baby boy,
I live in this house.
Not with that baby, you don't.
Look, I own this building, everyone and everything in it.
That thing cannot live with me in my Eden.
For your information, don't call her a thing. You hear me? Do not call her a thing. She's a child. And you don't know who she is and what her destiny is.
Destiny?
Yes, destiny. You don't know if she's going to be the future president of Nigeria.
Baby boy, I beg, please, sir. You so how can you go around collecting every and any baby that comes your way? What's with that?
Look at you. Destiny brought us together. Yes. And I will never, for any reason, reject any child. My mother suffered so hard, very much because of children. So I'm going to give her all the children I can give her.
Baby boy.
Doing what?
The present is a change of diapers.
Caro, my Sisticuli. Yeah. Sorry.
strange.
Hey, a day that a baby should.
Mommy CP. Okay. Now wow. It's strange indeed.
But this one is very sweet though.
It is just okay.
Eh? It is not okay. It is sarcastic. Abi Bolaji. It is very sweet too.
Shut up then.
Sister.
Is this sweeter than mommy's own sweet?
Oh, Patty, are you kidding? I don't know. Well, it is sweet, yeah. Anyhow.
Do you know what he was prepared with, eh? Do you know? With kitchen practical, one cannot be too sure of the concoction she had prepared.
That's true.
But Sha, this concoction is sweet.
Very sweet, yeah.
It is just okay.
Children?
Yes.
Go final. Oh yes. You see, it's a combination of bean and cocoyam soup mixed with spinach and oil beans. Oh yes, and garnished with termite oil and some, coca leaves and marinated in crocodile meat sauce. What is the problem?
Nothing.
Please, I still have
I knew it was too good to be true. Yes, so. Hey, Beru, don't. There's crocodile in the soup.
That is sweet.
Big mouth. Water. Big mouth. Tail. Water. Crocodile. Yes, so. Crocodile. Not bad, Beru. Yeah. Crocodile. She got the spelling wrong, but that's it. It's good. Crocodile or no crocodile? You will still eat it.
It can't kill.
Hey, what's the problem? There's crocodile in the soup.
Yes.
So? Haven't you heard that it's not just about the looks, but the taste of it? Come on.
Makes sense.
Yeah, come on, man. Try this stuff. It's nothing. It tastes like chicken. Come on, try it. It's okay. It's okay.
You won't eat it.
Don't eat that.
Tastes like fish.
See what I'm talking about?
What are
Longer
chicken? Fish.
Longer throats.
Dear girl, let hunger kill you. Wait now, what's your own? Because of fish, hunger will kill you. That's true. Hey, start very low. This tastes like mama. Taste it. So, Taju, how is your father? Baby nurse.
Man, the baby daddy nurse is having a problem taking care of the baby. You know what? He almost burnt the baby's mouth with hot cereal, man. Hold on. Get something else. He tried to change the baby's diapers, man. It was so smelly. Y'all should have been there, man. It was so stinky and smelly. And he was like, hold on. It was funny, man.
think your children are my children. Oto korogo. Oto korodo. Bàbá jí àgbọ̀ bẹ̀ kánú. Àjẹ̀bà tó a ṣe kùn rádú. Ọ̀wọ̀n lọ́rọ̀ tí ń jẹ ya. Àbọ̀mọdé ṣeré alẹ́ súyà súyàyà. Oto korogo. What kind of wahala is this one now?
Baby boy, this is not going to work. Control your destiny now. Can't you see I'm trying to get my beauty sleep?
Sorry. Àbọ̀mọdé ṣeré alẹ́ súyàyà. Àbọ̀mọdé ṣeré alẹ́ súyà. Oto sorry. Kòròdò tó bá jí àgbọ̀ bẹ̀ kaná. Àjẹ̀bà tó a ṣe kùn rádú.
Will this baby not shut her mouth for the whole day? Father and child, please, what are you doing to each other there?
I wonder, apart from taking my week, this Chinchi has taken my sleep. And if I catch her, me combo ya.
Romantic week, don't bafuka.
Ahondigi reti. Reti ahondigi.
I don't bafuka. I don't follow you. Eyo.
Ifo God. I don't blame you. I know it was paining you. I know it's paining you, but let me warn you. If you have your children and they cry like that, I will send you and them to the gatehouse.
I not do that.
Try this. You will know that there is a difference between P and PCC now.
I'm promising you can't do it. You can't do it.
What's the matter?
You can't talk.
What's the matter?
Hey. Mommy, she's mourning her week. Oh, look, Mommy. The baby dabaro every day. Mommy, you are a good planner.
Me?
I no plan. I think you plan.
So whose baby?
Me, Mom. But romantical week is dabaro.
Pure and simple.
God. Oga.
If now you call. If now you call. New Pekin just the other children that the father gave hot food to the baby which burns them out.
Oh, my shame.
I go carry baby.
Mommy. So that Peace will be able to have a romantic week, Mommy, please. John, next time, you should not be prolific.
What is prolific? TA is prolific. True.
Prolific, Mommy.
What I say?
Well, TA is only settlement for cloth.
Mommy, prolific. Mommy,
Prolific.
What do you think you're doing?
What does it look like?
That bra cannot sleep on my bed though.
No problem. She will sleep in mine.
Shiv!
Karu, God help you. If this baby... Forget you for this sweet father. I no go forget you for this suffer way you suffer for me. If I no sleep, my father no do sleep. You know desire sweet. Oh, what else am I going to do for you this baby now? Okay, sweet father. What else am I going to do for you, this girl now? Look, let me try with Saka, you know. What is it?
The baby almost ate a cockroach. It picked it from the floor. Damn, it was so funny. You should have been there to see Papa. Man, he tried to get it out of her mouth. It was so funny. Listen, and by the time Dad went to throw the cockroach away and came back, she was under the table, man. He went to see Papa, trying to get out from under the table. It was upstairs. It was so funny.
Tales of a nursing.
Well, apparently the mother has switched off her phone.
But I wonder who the mother is.
What we are doing? We are here talking and shining our teeth. And we are here laughing. What? That you remember when you first came? Looking straight with a bow tie.
Man, whatever, man. Y'all tripping, man.
We laughed at you and you packed your bag and ran away. But it's true. The hair was almost dropping and your mouth was smelling. What is the point? His work is suffering. And we are here laughing. Instead of us to think of how to make money. How to make money for Bami so that he can feed us. We are here laughing.
That is true. That is true.
That's the point. What are we doing now?
Oh, two boss, you ain't one guy. If they mermo, Omikaga, Ndime.
Mommy, what's the matter?
Never you treat your wife the way your father treats me.
Forgive him, Mommy.
God forbid! That child that your father brought
Mommy, it's not that child's fault that she was born. Mommy,
otu ụbọchị onwe nwa ga-abịa ebere agaghị o chifu ị ga-eti aka n'obi o otu ụbọchị onye nwa ga-abịa o ọmịiko agaghị adị o chifu ị ga-eti aka n'obi o si lehi mere onwe go.
Once a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two.
Yeah.
I don't know.